Welcome, and with me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I will show you how to insert SD card into it. The device I have right here only takes SD cards, there's no SIM tray for it, and I am not aware if there is a version with an LTE, so anyway. So for this you will need one of these things, a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in a box, so you can get it from there, and it looks like the tray is located on the, I guess, left side of the device or underneath, depending how you hold it. If you hold it in this landscape mode, it's underneath. If you hold it in a portrait, it's on the left side. So right here, as you can see, simply push the pin in, the tray pops out, and on the tray you have space for just that single SD card. So pop it on here and then insert it back into the device. There we go. And it should start working automatically. Let's see, do we have any pop-up here? Okay, it looks like we don't get any pop-ups, so I'm gonna open up settings and see if I can find it in here. There it is, app memory card, 8 GB, so obviously it's working. So anyway, that is how you insert your SD card into your device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.